Welcome back to Tap Tech, the place where we bring you the most exciting news in tech. Today, we're diving into the most anticipated phone of the year, the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max. There's been a lot of buzz around this device. We're here to break down everything you need to know, from its design and features to the release date, pricing, and the big changes Apple is planning. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of Apple's boldest releases yet. According to multiple leaks and reports, Apple will most likely announce the iPhone 17 series during the first or second week of September 2025. This follows their usual timeline. Pre-orders could start just days after the official announcement. The phone should reach customers by the third week of September. With availability in key markets like the US, UK, Canada, Europe, and Asia, price-wise, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to start around $1,499 in the United States. In the UK, it may launch around £1,349. While Canadian users might see a starting price near $1,899 Canadian dollars, in India, reports suggest a price close to $165,000 for the base variant. These numbers aren't official yet, but they follow Apple's trend of slight annual increases, especially for their Pro Max line. The new features and advanced hardware could justify the higher pricing this year. Now let's talk design. Apple is rumored to make a few bold changes to the look and feel of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. One of the biggest shifts could be the use of a new aluminum frame with a two-tone rear finish, moving slightly away from the titanium build introduced. Earlier, the phone might also be a little thicker than previous models, to accommodate a bigger battery and upgraded cooling system. The rear camera layout is also changing. Instead of the traditional square setup, Apple might go with a horizontal layout stretching across the back of the phone. This new camera design may also help distinguish the Pro Max from other models in the lineup. The display is another area where Apple is going all out. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to feature a massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED panel with ProMotion technology for smooth 120Hz refresh rates. The bezels are getting thinner, offering a more immersive viewing experience. Some reports even suggest that Apple is working on reducing the size of the dynamic island, or possibly hiding Face ID sensors under the display. Apple may also introduce a new anti-reflective coating on the screen. Should improve visibility outdoors and reduce glare, something iPhone users have wanted for years. Powering this beast is the new A19 Pro chip. Built on a 3nm process, the A19 Pro promises better performance and battery efficiency. It's designed to handle more demanding tasks, including new AI features and advanced camera processing. To support all this, Apple is giving the iPhone 17 Pro Max a bump in RAM, going from 8GB to 12GB. That means better multitasking, smoother app switching, and improved performance for gaming and video editing. There's also talk of a vapor chamber cooling system, which would help maintain peak performance during heavy use, like gaming or recording high-quality video. Apple is also improving wireless performance with built-in Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. The Pro Max might also be the first iPhone to support Apple's custom 5G modem, though this could be delayed until next year. Either way, users should see faster connectivity, lower latency, and better overall stability. The camera system on the iPhone 17 Pro Max is where things really get exciting. Apple is expected to bring major improvements this year. The rear camera setup could include three 48-megapixel lenses, a wide, ultra-wide, and a new periscope telephoto lens with up to 8x optical zoom. That's a big jump from the current 5x zoom on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. With this kind of zoom, you'll be able to capture crisp shots from far distances without losing detail. The main camera is also expected to feature a larger sensor, allowing more light for better low-light photography. The new layout should also reduce lens flare and improve clarity in night shots. There's also a possibility that Apple will introduce a physical camera button on the side of the phone. This would allow quicker access to the camera app and better control for shooting photos and videos, something professional users will appreciate. The front-facing camera isn't being left behind. Either Apple may upgrade it to a 24-megapixel sensor with a 6-element lens. This would improve selfie quality and make Face ID faster and more reliable, even in low-light conditions. Video capabilities are also getting a boost. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could support 8K video recording, making it a serious tool for content creators. Apple may also introduce a new Pro camera app with advanced manual controls for focus, ISO, shutter speed, and more. For users who want to vlog or shoot using both the front and rear cameras at once, there might be a new dual recording feature, giving more flexibility during shoots. Battery life is another area getting attention. With the new chip and a possible 5,000 mAh battery, users can expect longer usage times. This would be the biggest battery ever in an iPhone, and it's likely to offer noticeable gains, especially when using higher fresh displays, GPS, or 5G. Charging speed is also expected to improve. Leaks suggest the iPhone 17 Pro Max will support 35 West wired charging, faster than before. Wireless charging is expected to go up 2 to 5W using MagSafe. Apple might finally introduce reverse wireless charging, letting users charge AirPods or other devices by placing them on the back of the phone. iOS 26 will debut with the iPhone 17 series, bringing a new UI, deeper customization, and smarter AI integration across the board. Expect better Siri performance, smarter photo editing, and live transcription features. The Pro Max will make full use of these updates with its new neural engine and added RAM. There are also hints of more flexible widgets, always-on display improvements, and enhancements to the lock screen. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to be available in multiple colors. Standard options like black and silver will likely return, but the new star of the show could be a copper orange finish. This bold new look would help the Pro Max stand out in a sea of traditional colors. A dark blue variant might also be introduced, appealing to users who want something sleek but different. While the iPhone 17 Pro Max shares many features with the regular iPhone 17 Pro, there are some key differences. The Pro Max will have a bigger display, a larger battery, and the enhanced periscope zoom lens. It may also be the only model to feature the rumored new cooling system and possibly the physical camera button. These features make it more appealing to power users and content creators who want the absolute best iPhone experience. The iPhone 17 Pro Max won't be for everyone. Its price, size, and advanced features make it more suitable for users who need top-tier performance, camera power, and battery life. For casual users, or those who prefer a more compact phone, the iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Air may be better options. But for those who want the best of the best, the Pro Max will be hard to beat. Looking at everything the iPhone 17 Pro Max brings to the table, it's clear that Apple is pushing the boundaries again. From its large and immersive display to its upgraded camera system and top-of-the-line performance, this phone is meant to impress. Apple isn't reinventing the wheel, but it is refining the experience in meaningful ways. If you've been holding off on upgrading, this might be the year to make the jump. To sum it all up, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will offer a new design, bigger battery, better cameras, faster performance, and smarter software. While we'll have to wait for the official announcement to confirm every detail, the leaks and rumors paint a very promising picture. Apple knows what its users want, and the 17 Pro Max is set to deliver on all fronts. That's it for today's deep dive into the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, and we'll see you in the next one.